About it logically, imagine that you've just thought of £1,000,000 idea, something that will make you money day after day and you've hardly got to do any work. Is the first thing that you're going to do go and put it on the internet with the video? No, of course you're not, because you've just created this idea, this business, this way to create passive income. You're not going to be posting it online. The only reason you might be posting it online is if you're trying to grow your income, sell a course, affiliate links that you might have. So really it is part of everybody's process of making money. Now let's get to the actual way of making money. What you need to do is actually figure out what service you're offering that other people need. You don't need to create a site just for Google Ads, just for affiliate links, just to blog. Of course you can. However, a proper way to make money as a business, as a growing individual brand, is to create your website around the service that you can provide. Whether that's SEO, videography, marketing, customer support, photography, or anything like that, that is much likely to create you actual income that you might even be able to replace your proper job with.